Good morning and welcome to day 73 on the AT. My name is Mosey and this is Rissaroams, leaving Four Pines Hostel and heading back to trail right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, yesterday was the most I've ever wanted to quit. Yesterday sucked. It was blazing hot. The rocks were so hard. Yeah, there was one point I looked at the map and I was 1.1 miles from the hostel, and then it felt like 20 minutes later I looked at my phone again and I was 1 mile from the hostel. It was the slowest moving I've ever experienced. I genuinely didn't know if I would be capable of getting back on trail this morning. We're doing it. We're heading to McAfee. It's gonna be a short day. We're gonna stay at the shelter just past there so we can do sunset and sunrise. I'm feeling better than last night, but I'm not 100%. Yeah, I was broken when I got to Four Pines, and everybody could tell. But everyone was very encouraging and trying to uplift me as much as they could. But yeah, yesterday was hard. And while we were at Four Pines, we ran into a few people who've been leapfrogging for the last couple weeks. Ivan, Lulu, and the machine. They also had a rough time coming down Dragon's Tooth. Not as rough as me, but yeah, they ended up zeroing there because they weren't feeling it. And I understand. There's a part of me that really needs a zero, but I don't think staying at Four Pines today would have been the right choice for me. Sorry, the lines are so crazy. Everything's so humid. It's getting foggy. And I want to say, I would really like to come back and do Dragon's Tooth as like a day hike one day, where that's the only thing I'm doing and not the end of a 15.5 mile day. And maybe choose a day where it's not blazing hot and I'm mentally prepared for the rocks. Yeah, I wish I could have enjoyed it. I usually do like the scrambly bits, but it just wasn't fun yesterday. So since we got in pretty late to Four Pines yesterday, by the time we ate and went to the gas station to resupply and took a shower, Milk Money and I didn't have time to do laundry. Tom got his in right when we got there, but we could have washed, but there was no dryer. We were worried stuff wouldn't get dry before we had to roll out this morning, which we're gonna be in Daleville tomorrow afternoon. So we actually booked a hotel room. The boys will be cuddling and I'll have my own bed. And we're very excited because I don't know, I just don't sleep well in bunk rooms, and so haven't gotten good night's sleep when we have been in town. So hopefully get some rest, get our laundry done. There's a Kroger and a Cracker Barrel by the hotel, so we should be happy campers once we get to do a good resupply and eat some good food and do laundry. We stank. It's blazing hot, but I do enjoy these pasture walks. Also, my niece Eva requested film of flower fields. So here you go, girly. Field full of daisies. Just for you. good views on this ridge walk. There's a nice breeze blowing right now. I hope it stays. I am incredibly grateful today for the sun not beating down on me and a good breeze. Little things like this make a huge difference in my morale. I also want to say this morning I prayed for strength, joy, and gratitude. And I think the Lord is delivering. I'm moving slow, but I'm moving forward, and I am grateful to be here. It is crazy how the smell of laundry detergent will just absolutely slap you in the face out here. Trail runner just ran by, and oh my gosh, so strong. Just took a nice long break at the Catawba shelter. Had lunch and just kind of sat around. Now we're doing the hike up to McAfee. Be there in less than 2 miles. And then just past that is where we're gonna camp. And so we should go back to McAfee for both sunset and sunrise, which I'm very much looking forward to. Taking my time on this climb. Thankful the sun has been behind the clouds for most of the day today, but still breaking a sweat. Almost to McAfee. Not much further.
But I wanted to get the up and down scale.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah. That was cool. Get out the thing.
I got family in Montana.
Send those to my sister. She's back with her.
They stay in Montana.